Johnson Electric, AI-powered automated production. The future of manufacturing advances when people and intelligent machines move forward together. At Johnson Electric, innovation is driven by purpose to elevate precision, strengthen reliability, and deliver excellence at scale. Our automated production is powered by AI, a smart, connected ecosystem where artificial intelligence, robotics, and digital execution systems control every step in real time. AI-enhanced automated optical inspection trains on vast image datasets, detecting complex surface defects and continuously improving through deep learning. What once depended on visual checks is now verified with uncompromising precision. At end of line, AI-driven testing analyzes electrical and acoustic signatures of every motor. By learning normal performance patterns, it flags anomalies that may indicate future failure before products ever leave the factory. This is reliability, engineered, not assumed. At Johnson Electric, we don't just build products. We engineer reliability through the world's most advanced manufacturing technologies. Our AI-powered automated production is fast, helping minimize time to market. And it is uncompromising in quality, using AI and real-time data to ensure every single component performs exactly as specified every time. Johnson Electric, we are ready for the future.